Hey everybody, today is church Sunday, and if I was walking the bedroom right now and start getting ready, little lady would rip my head off. Because one thing you don't do is you don't interrupt her on church Sunday while she's getting ready. Well, after fishing yesterday, I had all that fish slime and seawater all over me. I had to roll down the windows. Let's see if it stinks. I don't smell anything bad, so that's good. Because if it stunk in there, I would also get my head ripped off for that. Imagine that. Here's Detmurds with the daily Detmurds video. Where were you yesterday, Detmurds? Well, you know what? I'm not all that exciting as you may all think I am. I'm just not. Yeah, there may be times in the future I may not have a video on, every day. So please excuse me for that. I'm sure nobody wants to hear me saying the same thing every day. That gets boring. Yeah, so last night there was like a freeze warning, whatever. Yeah, I covered up the plants as usual, but today went out in town. I'm wearing a pair of shorts, no coat. It's maybe 48 degrees. No big deal. People walking around here like it's freezing. Now, back home in Michigan got hammered. And the more north you go, they really got hammered. Crazy. I'm glad I'm not in that cold weather there. The cold weather, in my opinion, prevents you from doing things in life that you want to do. That's why I came down here. Because I want to be able to go outside every day. I want to do something physical without putting on 3 layers of clothes. And that's something I can do here in Lower Alabama. As far as this device here, I did use it on Sunday. That was my last day I worked out. And what did I do on this thing? I did the leg raises with my hands, holding up vertical handles, and raise my leg with my back up against the backboard. And what I haven't done was a pull-up or a chin-up. Now, I retired from the Navy in 2006, and then I started working a civilian job, civil service for the Navy. And at one point, I needed to get surgery on the shoulder, as you all heard me crying about before. Ever since that shoulder surgery, I've never tried doing a pull-up or chin-up. And pull-up and chin-ups are 2 different things. But I've never tried it, and I've never tried it yet. I have not tried it yet since buying this thing. I'm going to try it. Just not in this video. I'm going to condition myself a little bit more before I start trying to do that stuff. I would really hate to pull this shoulder out when it costs, it's a $60,000 shoulder surgery. So I don't want to be miserable in life, wasting the whole summer after another surgery and going through therapy. The shoulder surgery alone took about a year to fully get 100%. They said I recovered, and my therapy was really good. I actually finished early, but they said it's because the way the military made me work out and stuff like that. So I thank you, Mother Navy, for making me who I am. Oh, so that fish that I caught, the whiting and the croaker fish, little lady cooked it off, and here's a picture of it. She cooked it off. And before anybody says, wow, she really killed that fish, she over-fried it. It looks terrible. You know what, that's how Filipinos eat fish. When I did go out in town today, I went to this gym that I've been vetting, and it's called Southern Muscle Factory. And the owner is a former Marine, very cool guy, got along with him really good. The gym looks great. It has everything I want, and I'm gonna get the military rate, the active duty military rate at $40. I said, how come I'm not getting charged a veteran rate? He goes, well, you're getting military rate because you're retired. I'm like, okay, cool. So I appreciate that. His name is Marty, really cool guy. So I'm gonna start going there like probably after the 1st. Tell them I've been working out a couple months here in the house, month and a half or whatever, right? So, looking forward to going to that gym. I don't know if I can bring a camera in there or not. Most of you don't want to see me working out anyhow, but maybe I can show the gym at some point. That's going to be about it for this video, so I will catch you all in the next one. I would say tomorrow, but I don't know. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve. We'll just play it by ear and see what happens. See you next time.